Welcome to my channel Online Earning Course. In this video we learn about how to earn money online through Instagram. Let's play.
Welcome to section 1 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training, Instagram Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what is Instagram all about, what can Instagram do for your business, shocking Instagram marketing facts to consider, and Instagram walkthrough. What is Instagram all about? What is Instagram? We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Instagram is a photo sharing social network. In practical terms, it is a visual discovery platform focused on user-generated content and with predominantly social media-oriented features. Contrary to other social networks, though, Instagram has been designed from the ground up for mobile devices. Its humble beginnings can be traced back to 2010, when it was launched as a free photo-sharing app for iOS devices, followed by Android versions as well as a feature-limited desktop interface 2 years later. Much like any other social network, Instagram allows its users to create a profile from where they can upload and share visual media, such as photos and short-form videos, to other users' feeds. As you can see, the idea behind Instagram is simple, yet elegant. So much so that Facebook acquired it in 2012 for $1 billion. What can you find on Instagram? Instagram is mostly famous because it allows its users to share awesome visual content. And because of that, you will be able to find basically any type of content on the platform, which presents great potential for content discovery. The first thing that you will find on Instagram are your friends. Then you'll discover that you'll be able to find all your favorite things on Instagram, your favorite brands, your favorite musicians, your favorite actors, your favorite fictional characters, even your favorite food. That is why Instagram is so popular among active social media users. And that is also the reason why it is so easily monetizable, because it is created towards fostering massive engagement. Brands of all sizes and industries have been able to use Instagram's model to their advantage, and a new breed of marketers called influencers have been able to make six-figure livings thanks to Instagram. What can you do on Instagram? Instagram allows you to easily upload and share photos and videos, to follow other users, to geotag images with the name of the location where a photo was taken, to connect your Instagram with other social networking accounts, and to use hashtags to make your content easier to find. Besides those basic features, Instagram also allows you to use an explore feature that will enable you to find visual content according to popularity, location, and your own search criteria. You can apply filters on your posted images to make them more stylized, and you'll also be able to upload 15-second long videos. You'll also be able to directly connect with other users via private messaging. More advanced features such as stories and monetization will be discussed in the following sections. So let's continue by telling you what are some of the awesome benefits that Instagram offers your business. What Instagram can do for your business. So now you know what Instagram is all about. And right after, you learn some stuff you probably didn't know about the platform. Now it's time to start talking business. That is, the benefits of using Instagram for doing and promoting your business. For most marketers, doing business on Instagram is kind of a confusing endeavor. You see, doing business on Facebook, for example, is a no-brainer. So everybody knows that platform works. But an app such as Instagram with very specific functions and a dedicated set of features can be a bit more difficult to tap into at first. But the truth is, the businesses of all sizes, from local brands to family-owned shops to large corporations, are driving results from being active on Instagram. And their secret is in knowing how to implement their business practices into the way the platform works. But their performance is also backed up by the numbers. 80% of Instagram users follow a business on the platform. Now that said, it wouldn't be profitable for those businesses to be on the platform if it weren't for their loyal followers. And an engaging business on Instagram can easily drive and spread awareness of their business activities, their brands, their products, and their services. Make potential customers get interested through visual discovery. Get new customers which in turn will increase the desired conversions, including product sales, app downloads, website visits, and visitors to a local store, among others. Instagram's own built-in features will allow you to reach those milestones the easy way, as long as you put in the effort. Because Instagram has also been designed with business in mind, allowing them to create an Instagram business account, which allows companies of all sizes to be recognized with a unique business profile, to gain insight about their followers, to promote posts designed to drive business goals, and giving visitors to your profile the right info such as your business address and contact details, all within Instagram. Send full screen adverts to Instagram Stories, which is a friendlier approach to advertising compared to what other social platforms offer. Use business tools to get deep marketing insights, including reach, number of impressions, replies, and exits for each individual campaign. More so, the visual nature of Instagram combined with a story-driven advertising model means that you will be offering an experience that far surpasses the flat and personal feeling of marketing campaigns created on other platforms. Instagram has many other benefits for businesses that are too often overlooked by marketers that focus their conversation on advertising. And in this training, you will become aware that Instagram is as diverse can get. For starters, you can repurpose your Instagram photos on your business website to create cross-platform engagement. And if your business has a physical location, you can bet that customers have uploaded pictures of it on the platform. Even if you don't have a physical location and only offer your products online, customers have probably uploaded pictures of them as well. There's a lot more to say about Instagram, so follow us to the next video for some shocking Instagram marketing facts that you should know.